I bet you didn't know your Jeep Wrangler's AC issue could be a simple DIY fix. Let me show you how. First off, check sometimes it's just a blown fuse causing all the trouble. Locate your fuse box and replace any damaged fuses. Easy, right? Next, examine the levels. Low refrigerant can cripple your AC. Use a gauge to check levels and refill if necessary. Be sure to use the correct type for your Wrangler. Moving on, inspect if it's not engaging or making weird noises, it might be time for a replacement. This part can be tricky, so don't hesitate to call a pro. Also, don't forget a clogged filter restricts airflow. Swap it out regularly to keep things cool. Lastly, consider if your AC is weak or non-existent, this could be the culprit. Replacing it might just bring that Arctic breeze back. So, to recap, check your and with these tips, you'll be cruising in comfort in no time. Don't let a faulty AC ruin your ride. Always consult a mechanic for serious issues. Subscribe for more car care tips and keep your Wrangler running cool.